conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time.
Man, Corpus, you're early.
Index values up to 110 expected. Where Lotso, McMullen, Live Oak, Webb, Duval, Jim Wells, Inland Clayburgh, and Inland. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, 11 a.m. and noon local time, 11 a.m., 11 a.m., 11 a.m. 11 a.m. The forecast for the Laredo area. Heat advisory in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. The combination of above normal temperatures and high points will result in heat indices of 105 to 110 degrees for all of deep South Texas and the Rio Grande Valley. Peak temperatures are expected from noon to 7 p.m. Residents with outdoor activities are urged to drink plenty of water, wear lightweight and light-colored clothing, and take frequent breaks from the heat. Children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm or hot weather, when car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. What? Heat index values up to 110 expected. Where? Lotso, McMullen, Live Oak, Webb, Duval, Jim Wells, Inland Clayburgh, and Inland NWS counties. When? From 1 p.m. this afternoon to 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Here are the 10 a.m.
So the HH activated, Sanjian, the 120, it's a 15-minute event.
Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses to occur.
Utah obviously activated for the 10:50. Hey, 11:11.
The pressure 29.90 inches.